Sean again, an application engineer here at WinDaq Instruments. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use the time marker and the cursor in the WinDaq Waveform Browser to isolate a particular segment or period of data. WinDaq data acquisition software can sample at very high rates, creating large files with lots of data. But the odds are you're only interested in a particular segment of that data, or a particular event. To isolate that event, you can use the time marker and the cursor. We'll begin by placing a time marker at the beginning of the area we're interested in. To do so, we'll left-click in the annotation area at the bottom of the strip where you see things like SEC TBF and SEC TM. And to enable the time marker, we'll choose Enable Time Mark from the Options pull-down menu. You could also use the F4 shortcut key. Next, we'll click in the annotation area again and move the cursor to the left, to the right of the area of interest. Now, if we choose something like statistics, for example, the statistics calculated here are statistics based on just that area that we selected between the time marker and cursor. You can copy that information to the Windows clipboard and paste it in a text app like Microsoft Word, for example. In addition to calculating statistics, we can also save the data in another format, like spreadsheet print format, so we can view it in Microsoft Excel. To do so, we'll just choose the spreadsheet print format and add a CSV extension. We can enter comments that will be included in the spreadsheet and choose what information is included. Sample rate, for example, engineering units, date and time stamps. Now if we view that data in Microsoft Excel, you can see that each column is labeled corresponding to the channel that it was drawn from. And in Microsoft Excel, we can use the full power, full analytical power of the application, create graphs based on the data we collected in WinDaq. Or you can save the segment as its own smaller WinDaq file containing only the data that we selected earlier. To do so, we'll choose Save As from the File pull-down menu, rename the file so we don't overwrite the original, choose the binary with CODAS header format, and make sure that the file has the WDQ extension. Now, if we open up the file we just created, we'll see that it contains only the data we're interested in.